Is that fun? Yeah? Yeah? You want that one too? Yeah? Hi. Okay. Hi. You gotta learn how to crawl to get this one. It's a little further away, huh? Keon. Keon. Hi. How are you? You look so cute today. Oh, okay. You're always cute, huh? Keon. Cutie. What are you doing? Is that fun? Do you like that toy? It's a lot of fun. Huh? You're so cute. Do you want to say hi? Say hi to Daddy. Are you happy? You're gonna see Daddy in a week, huh? Yeah, you're gonna see Daddy in about a week. Yeah, you are.